Samsung is gearing up to release the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Flip 5 at Galaxy Unpacked, which should be taking place in August. So far, we have received a lot of information about the upcoming foldable device. We know they are going to pack some pretty great hardware, with the Flip 5 receiving a big upgrade in terms of the screen on the back. But the one thing that we have not heard so far is the camera found on these devices, and today we have a word on these two. According to information coming from Yogesh Par, who is a Twitter leakster and has a great track record, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is going to offer a triple camera setup similar to its previous generation. Something that we have been familiar with the Z Fold lineup in the past. You will get a primary 50 megapixel camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel of telephoto cameras. And on the flip side, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will feature a dual camera setup just like their predecessor, with 12 megapixel of main sensor and 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera. Now, he also pointed out some other improvements to both of these devices, confirming once again that Samsung is looking to improve the overall user experience of the design rather than introducing a new groundbreaking design and upgrades. So I really think that this is disappointed about the cameras of the Z Fold 5 and the Flip 5, because as you know that since from last three generation we are seeing the same camera lenses on the back, which have the 50 megapixel of a main sensor and the ultra wide and main camera. And since the Fold 5 cost way much than the S series flagship level device, then definitely I was expecting that Samsung at least could give us a 108 megapixel sensor in the foldable devices, just because they are costing so much. Once again, they are not coming with the new camera sensor. It's kind of a disappointing for fans. And some of the changes that we know already, that Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 will have an improved hinge, which definitely going to minimize the crease present on the center of the device. And Samsung this time around going to be using a new hinge mechanism, which will definitely not only lower the weight of the device but also will be less crease, and the device when folded will be completely flat. And guys, I'm super excited about the Flip 5 outer display, which is going to be larger than the previous generation, and also we expect to see a Fold 5 to have a larger outer display. Now, other improvements that we could expect to see for the Samsung flagship foldable phones is that it will be coming with a faster chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, a lot of RAM, a cool tech, but Samsung still consider the S lineup as top of the line experience, and until that changes, you can expect the Fold and the Flip to have some downgrade. Both the Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 should be debuting in August, and in the coming days and weeks, we can expect to see leaks and rumors about that particular device. Along with that, other devices that Samsung has planned for the Galaxy Unpacked event. And guys, that is it in this particular video. Really, we have disappointment for the camera sensor if the leak is true. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.